Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about template structure in Sitecore. So how templates are managed, what are the different types of templates, and how we create those templates in the content editor. What is the basic role of data template? Because in Sitecore, we manage it using different types of templates. So today we will discuss what is data template. Again, it is a user defined template that we create how the data is entered. We can define the structure, we can define different sections, we can define the item, what all type of values it can take. So all those comes under data template. So it defines fields used to control how data is entered. So data template basically it controls the way data is entered, what type of data can be entered. We have different sections that we create, and in those sections we have different types of values. It can be rich text, it can be boolean, it can be text, it can be checkbox. They determine the exact field sections, then field types and field names that make up each section. So each section you can define the data template based upon different sections, so that it is easy to navigate. So we will have different sections, and in each sections you can define what all types of fields, what type of data that you can enter. Data templates form the framework around which items are built. Then Sitecore associates a data template with every item in the content tree. So there should be a data template through which the data will be entered, the data will be managed. So Sitecore associates a data template with every item in the content tree. And it is the field types that determine the editing control shown to the user, and they contain the raw value. So once we are going to define this data template, we can also define the standard values. So if a particular field user has not filled, so in that case there should be some standard values that will be filled, so that if we want to have some calculation, if we want to have some reporting, so all those formulas will be applicable. So they contain the raw values that are stored in the database. So friends, this is all about data templates to make sure to control the way data is being stored. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.